Merry Christmas, everybody. Don and Andrew here trying to help out one of our friends who had their carpets cleaned by someone else a month ago, and they were wondering about this nasty, nasty smell. Well, when we were here, we found out that the cheaper guy did not do a pre-clean, which means that if you don't do a good pre-clean, that means that you're not getting a deep clean. And the purpose of the pre-clean is to get rid of the pet hair. Andrew, how much pet hair do you think we've removed? Andrew.
A couple pounds probably.
Yeah. Well, because they got a golden retriever that loves living in here. You got to get rid of all that stuff before you start with the rest of the clean. That's why a professional, a true professional, knows what that they're doing. They're going to make sure that the sources of odors are gone. That way, when you do the rest of the clean, it's not locked in the carpets, and you'll love your floors again. So, with the new year.